I am here with Chef Moon from Momo Food and Wine, who is going to share her recipe for marinated olives.
Yes, thank you, Cindy. Today we have our aged marinated olives that we age in-house for at least 6 months, and I have the final product over here. That's how we serve it here at the restaurant, and I will walk you through the ingredients that we use to add to our blend of olives, as you can see here. So just to walk you through the ingredients, we have fresh grapefruit, some dried bay leaves, and dried red chilies, garlic cloves, fresh thyme, Himalayan sea salt, and orange juice, and of course our olive oil. So you want to make sure to use a good quality olive oil, because that is what lends itself to that really delicious flavor. And in the bowl, the liquid that you see at the bottom, that is some of the brine that the olives come in naturally. We only use just a little bit of it so it doesn't end up too briny. Okay, so the first ingredient I'll start with is the grapefruit. So I had it cut into little wedges so it's easy to just squeeze the juice, and I just throw the rind in there too. So it just adds, color and flavor, and once they're marinated, it is yummy to eat as well. So I'm going to throw in a couple of bay leaves. And then when I grab the whole red dried chilies, I just kind of crack it up a little bit so that the seeds can drop in there and add to the flavor profile. And then some fresh garlic cloves, and you throw it into the mix.
And you just put the whole garlic
Just the whole garlic clove, yep. And then with the fresh thyme, I like to take just like the stems and peel them off. For some of them I keep whole, and then on some of them you literally take your fingers and you go down the stem, and it takes the leaves off of it, and that adds, it adds just the leaves right into the mix. So there's that with the thyme. And then I have some Himalayan pink salt, and I love this salt. It's just such a great change of flavor from normal table salt. And then fresh squeezed orange juice. It adds a light, soft citrus flavor. It balances really well with the grapefruit. And then Cindy, would you help me and give it a nice stir? And then I'm just going to top it off with this great olive oil. And what you want to do with an aging press, you want to make sure that it actually covers the olives. So a good coating. Yep. And then what I would do now is, obviously in scale, I would transfer that into a container, put a lid on it, and let it sit for a good couple of months. It looks really delicious.
Yeah, it does.
So now we like to pair this with a toasted French bread with some garlic butter, and it's really delicious. Cindy, I want you to try the red one.
Yes.
This is
ooh, my favorite color too.
Yes, it's so pretty. It's a red Cerinola. It's super delicious, and that's the most expensive olive out of this whole bowl. So you better enjoy it.
I am.
And actually, this is a green Cerinola, which is, its cousin right here.
Delicious.
And there's no pretty way to eat an olive. You just kind of gotta go for it. So we top it off with a little fresh feta cheese, and that adds just a little bit of a texture and flavor difference, like profile to it.